Yeah, say hi.
First destination is taken over the left side. Our captain here.
This is our captain, Captain Leo. This is Captain Leo. Leonardo DiCaprio, Filipino version. Everybody say hi. And yes, if you're wondering, this is all my family. Except that guy, he's from Canada. This is my brother right here.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Bro, how beautiful is that? Crystal clear water. And a beautiful wife. That right there is Naked Island. That's where we're going, and we'll spend about an hour or so there. They call it Naked Island because it's literally a naked island. It's just sand, no trees, no nothing. There it is. Easy. Easy. You swim. jumping. Alright, so we went to Naked Island, which is called that because it's an island with no trees, no nothing.
There's nothing.
And then we went to like a spot in the middle of the ocean that was shallow where we could go and swim. You're going to see the video. It's the one you just watched. Then you saw a spread of food. We're on this island. What's the name of the island? We're going to call it that island. I don't know.
Food island.
We're on the food island and we're chilling. We just got done eating and look at our view. Let me just go like this. Boom.
That's our view.
That's our view right now. We're sitting in our little hut thingy. What's this thing called in Filipino?
Nipa hut.
We're sitting in our little Nipa hut chilling. We're fixing to get back on the boat and go do another
Island in Guyam Island.
Guyam Island. It's supposed to be amazing. And yes, I'm sunburnt, but I'm sexy.
Yes.
And yes,
My forehead.
that's a big old forehead.
I'm covering my forehead.
So we'll do more video later. Yeah, that's it. BJ, if you're watching, love you. Cisco, Kuya Paul, GB, Tim, Fat Home, and
Kuya Gel.
Oh, Gel, of course. Like, yeah, all of y'all, like
Kuya Brian.
Kuya Brian, like all of y'all, like
Kuya Onswa.
Onswa. We've been thinking of all of y'all
Butcher,
while we're on our
everybody.
vacation because, like, I mean, it's not really we're on vacation. We moved to the Philippines and now we're exploring the Philippines.
I could not wait to do
But-
live again to be with my mabuhay
But she
pang
really
mom.
wants to do lives, so we're gonna start doing lives shortly. We got like another week and a half of this. Oh my God, we got another week and a half of this. So yeah, I gotta deal with this kind of stuff for another week and a half. What? So, anyway, love y'all. Keep watching the video. This was just, we'll call this intermission.
Bye, love y'all.
Bye. She loves my armpit, weirdo. This is our next destination. Check that bad boy out. That's absolutely amazing, isn't it? right there. Yeah.
Baliana!
Are you gonna record?
That's recording.
Oh shit. Hello. We're done for the day. We hit up 4 islands, saw all sorts of stuff. What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say, wife?
I am done for the day.
Yeah, we're done, bro. It's been a long day. I'm exhausted, but thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and it's free to subscribe, and it's free to be nice. All right, later, y'all.